He pointed at me, she's looking at me, she likes it, now they're gonna talk about a divorce. You know the story, it's the same shh, just a different day. Why go so slow? Why fit the stereotypes so much, people? Why not break stereotypes, homie? Why not break them? Why not shake them? Turn around and bake them. Instead, you falling right in them. All right, he's running with his underwear on his freaking forehead. That chick was not jogging, she ain't walking. What's she doing? She following the booty, I like that. She wears the pants in a relationship because he's in the back, which isn't a bad thing, man. All right, which is not a bad thing. Which is not a bad thing at all. No, we got it. Don't worry, homie. We got it. I can't split the lanes that openly because, again, if you guys don't know, these mirrors don't fold. So, you know, But once I gotta see the gap. If I can't see the gap, I don't know if I can split them. Oh, I know that Porsche. Plus, if I could have a cut buddy. And by that, when I'm riding, a cut buddy means a lane split buddy, not a cut buddy meaning an F buddy. She got cakes like for days. Going to a Mexicana restaurante, man. Oh my God. Lambo, Ferrari. Chica, es chiste, isn't it? We got a threesome. I don't know yet if it's gonna be a foursome, but soon. We got a Ferrari Lambo. We got a car behind us that looks like somebody who who doesn't bring anything good to the world. But I just wanted to get at them. And they're all like that, going out of my life forever. The Aventador. Alright, that was good, right? That was something. We caught up to it. There were three of them. Huracan, Ferrari. I don't know what Ferrari. I think 488. I couldn't remember them right now because I was looking at it. Lambos all the way, man. Lambos were Ferraris all the time. But it was then an Aventador. A crisp, brand new Aventador. I don't like the color that much, but I like the scheme. I'm going to head back. We got a mark. Oh, man. I was going to cut. It's not my day right now, man, for this. So I was gonna cut. But you saw that quick maneuver we did. You laughing at me? If you laughing at me, you about to get slapped. Metaphorically, theoretically, figuratively, literally. Alright, disapprove. Actually, know what approve. Disapprove. Wipe that smile off your face, man. Approve. You don't know how to ride a bicycle or something? What's wrong here? I don't know. This is never gonna open, by the way. This is never gonna open. Like, it's gonna open in such a long time. Like, I digress. You didn't set the gear up correctly, homie. Just to let you know. My thighs be burning. My body be yearning. Loins are on fire. Corvette. Yeah, sure. Why not? Oh my God, I am burning up. See, this one opens, that one turns. Then this one opens, but not the left one. It keeps going for a very long time. Then that one closes, my green opens. I turn, and then all this closes, and they go skirt. So, God, if you would like, homie, God, if you would like, throw me a Lambo, you know, my way, in a good way, respectful way. Oh my God, come on, man! I just came from a red light, God. Unless you popping like a Lambo, something else, then I'm okay with it. Never mind, then I'm cool with it. What we got there, Mark? Yeah, no, Beamer. Beamer, Markin. James, we always thirsty. Open it quick, 3, 2, 1, abrir! Fuego! Solamente! How do you say please in Spanish? Por favor? No, is that thank you, right? No, por favor, right? So it's like, please. Por favor. Gracias! Por favor! That's a stupidest accent ever of mine, speaking Spanish. But yeah, that's how you say it. Because then gracias is thank you. And I feel de nada Nada means nothing, but then nada means don't think anything of it, like you're welcome, something like that. I don't know. I am running on the spot just like you guys, man. The body is thirsty for some Latina love. Oh, come on. I just stopped. Like I was saying, body is craving for some Latina amore. No, is that Italian amore? Amor? Mi amor? Is that Spanish or is that Italian? I don't know. Body is lusting after some Latin love. Man, I can't close my mirrors, homie. And you got cars over there cutting like that. How is that legal? No, I can't close this. So if I get into, I've seen it happen. It's on the forums. You ever read the Ducati forums? They always talk about it. They were lane splitting, or they were coming out of the garage, or going into the garage, and the mirrors snapped like crazy. And yes, granted, we're not going to keep the mirrors. We're going to take it off. But I don't want to damage the OEM parts. Because you know what? Later on, when I take this off the car or the bike, where is it going to go? Up my butt. So it has to be clean and nice. Nice. Key and Peele. Peele. P-word. Bald dude with a mustache. Off to his way to shoot a porno. Don't hit me because I'm beautiful. I can't go up more ahead, and I can't lane split because I can't see how fat the lane is. Oh, man. F me so hard. I should have gunned it like hell. Watch. Just watch. I just need... He pointed at me. She's looking at me. She likes it. Now they're going to talk about a divorce. You know the story. It's the same shh. Just a different day. Man, I am Bond girl. All the girls that are in the 007 movies, they have a store and it's right there. We better pound. Man, I am legit. I am sweating balls, man. Oh my god. Dude's gonna cream the biscuit too, isn't he? Isn't it? Then we got a freaking ambulance in the middle of the freaking lane. Stuff like that, man. I'm dripping. Metaphorically, figuratively, I'm always dripping some good. Dude, don't hit me. That is so close. Oh, was that for me? No, thank you. Thank you. Oh, dude, you finna get the best love of your life. Should we let this guy go too? He's looking at me, but I won't look at him. Don't reverse on me. I'll let you go. Oh, he reversed to see the chicas. Bon quick. What the hell is that? No. Sister Huskanen. Now you can't go slow, homie. Cause I'm gonna split the lane. Homie, I gave you a spot and you're trying to kill me. But don't worry outside. He had room to go in the bend with a Prius switch, but he didn't switch. So that's why I switched. So that almost hit that car on my left, the mirror. These damn things don't fold, they'll break, and the thing they'll break, I don't even know how much leverage they'll have on the bike. If they break, will they make my handlebar swing, homie? It's Tuesday, isn't it? Bloody wanker, man, I am tripping metaphorically, figuratively, literally. Carrera GT. Nice. You wanna know what's cool? I believe, from my knowledge of my brain, that in this area, there's 3 Carrera GT owners. Met 2 of them, had fun with one of them, and I'm guessing that's the 3rd one because I don't recognize him. Unless the 2 others that I met are letting him ride it, drive it. Man, red light district, rename yourself. City? Yeah, ain't nobody cares, dog. Ain't nobody cares, man. I'm burning, I'm sweating it up. Chica's in the car, glistening in air conditioner. Nature's air conditioner is effing me right now. My foot's scraping on the dash, on the ground. We got 250 on the dash. Nah, we're gonna get 200 on the dash soon, just wait. Just wait. Right now we're going 2 miles per hour, as you guys can see. Porsche, you can ride them, Bosch. We in that Bosch. Ooh, Chica, good it, girl. Put a lamp underneath your legs and let's see what you do. Huh? Let's see what you do. Let me get in one run or one circuit. Let me circuit at one time, and then we'll have fun. Just once, because I got to see what's happening in this location. And then we got a GT. Something. Yeah. A little too light, homie. 2 gram, homies. Slutting it up. Flooding it up, man. I was looking at them and I saw something else. Aston Martin, Corvette. I was flooding it up, looking at them, and I missed. I was looking at something else. We're not gonna wait for the GT because I'm never gonna wait for a Porsche. I don't think a day like that is ever gonna come, man, unless it's a Lambo pulling up, looking like a Porsche. I like the GT2, GT3, but I ain't feeling them like that until I'm not feeling them like that yet. Sooner or later, when I start feeling them like that. Are you gonna go? No, gonna go. I waited. Super. This right here is the hot spot. You know where the coronavirus... Aventador. You know where the coronavirus lives? Here. People all butt plugging it up together. Okay, I was gonna go to the Aventador. There were some places that I could make a UE, but I don't wanna take the risk. Because I couldn't tell. Sometimes it's a mirage out here with all this heat. You'd think a car is like ages away or like super far, but it ain't, man. It ain't. Like, she popping on you real quick. So I just wanted to be careful, and that's why I played it safe. Otherwise, there was a place I could have done it, and it would have been fine, actually. But you know, this brain be computing things you don't even know. I'm articulating things you ain't never heard of. Oh, we finna open. I haven't opened up her yet. Man, why is it so hard, man? There's a freaking Mexican Ocean out there. Why am I not feeling that cool breeze? Don't pull out, man. Don't do what Lil John does and don't pull up. No, that's pull up, not pull out. Hi there. Hi there. When I pull up, I count steaks. When I pull up, she dropping pants. When I pull up. Something like that, right? That last part that was Tiger 2. Alright, we get it, you're loving each other, take it somewhere else. Porsche is right there, by the way, it's going in there. I don't believe there's a car meet today. Yeah, I don't think so. Could be wrong, though. Well, we'll get to see the GT. He didn't look at me either. He looked at me, but he didn't wave to me. He did not to me. I nodded to him. Why can't you not back? Why you gotta be such a freaking hoe? Pull a U and I will destroy you. No, you're riding 2 down. GT3 or GT2? I couldn't tell. I think it's GT3. Modded though, exhaust and stuff. Mark, you a freaking douche in the passenger. It's common courtesy, a social contract that we made in this world. You nod to somebody, they not back. Unless it's not a contractual obligation kind of thing where you're discussing terms. I understand that, but out in the world in the open, when nothing like that is being discussed and somebody nods at you, you nod back. Alright, you nod back. Right around Porsche. Boy. Oh, we got a Chica in an AMG C63. Looks nice. I wonder if she looks nice. You know what? I'm not even gonna put a blinker up. F you so hard. Ferrari. See, I miss out on things like that. That means it's closing on us, right? No. Which one means it's something like that? See, almost though. Okay. Mini power wheelie. Cool. Alright. This one, because I gotta hit the apex, right? We got a McLaren speeding, we saw an Aventador, we saw a GT2 pulling up in a location. Pushing down on the pegs. Gears 1. Roll off the throttle a little bit. Let it jerk you because she a Ducati. Pass. That front wheel pops up like anything.